On that note, Mr. President, I respectfully move that the impeachment complaint be dismissed. I so move, Mr. President.
Wala po sa rules natin. Paano wala tayo pong guidelines? Kasi wala po sa rules natin yung motion to dismiss. So anong guidelines ang susundin natin?
It is true that the motion to dismiss is not part of our rules. But it is part of our rules po yung pagiging suppletory application po ng rules of court.
Again, I refer to our rules, Mr. President. Wala rin po ako makitang suppletory application sa rules of the Senate pagdating sa plenaryo. Pwede pong gamitin ito sa mga committee hearings, inquiry in aid of legislation. But we are not there. We're here in plenary. Maski po basahin natin na 100 beses ang ating rules of the Senate, wala pong suppletory application sa ating rules.
Kung ayaw po ninyo, wala po akong magagawa.